Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove task view button from Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, this is very simple and easy. If you want to remove task view button from Windows 10 PC or laptop, firstly right click in taskbar area. After, if you want to show task view button, and if you want to remove task view buttons, so right click in taskbar area. After, click on show task view button. It is very easy guys. First right click in taskbar area. After, click on show task view button. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quick method if you want to remove task view button from Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my video for latest update.